Welcome. I am your Polkadot Specialist Var, and today we're going to go over DeStore. So if you like this particular episode, please like and subscribe. It'd be highly, highly appreciated. So today, the reason why I wanted to cover DeStore is I believe that DeStore is one of those particular projects. It's very unique. Sometimes you want to find particular projects, products that differentiate themselves. Now, DeStore is an ASTR project, and I have a lot of videos on ASTR. And to summarize what ASTR is a place that developers can make products, applications, but in crypto they're called dApps. And people can put their coins towards particular dApps to support them or vote towards them, and they get interest in return and also sometimes additional benefits that the project offers. And that's one thing we'll cover further into the video. But I've done a whole couple videos on dApp staking and build to earn, so I will post those videos. But long story short, when you support a particular project, that project is also given rewards as well. And it's called build to earn. All right, but why DeStore? So again, I think it's very creative, and it's also a top project overall when it comes to community support. So that's one of the things that I wanted to kind of highlight here, is that DeStore has a nice amount of backers. So they're currently ranked out of all the projects in the tier 2. There's only one over here in tier 1 now, and the higher the tier 1 being the best in terms of rewards, but the higher the tier, the more the developers are given money towards their project. So tier 2 is the second best tier to actually be in. All right, so DeStore here, and this is also a project that has been backed by the ASTR Degens community, which is a community as well that is in the ASTR network, and that's how another reason why I found out about this project as well. And they've backed them in the past. This here is the amount of money that they have going towards their particular project in terms of the community putting coins towards them. So this is the ASTAR coins that are currently backing and voting for this particular project. And so that is 120,930,000. So yeah, definitely it's top 5. So why DeStore? So let's go further into it. So with DeStore, we're going to go to their actual, so this is the information that they actually have on the ASTAR network when you get ready to, vote towards them and different things of that nature. So towards the top, as you can see, you can vote, and you can see it's tier 2. Let's look up a little bit about DeStore. It says, we plan to provide existing e-commerce brands with physical digital twin claim cards, which is called DTCC, that can be placed inside any product packaging. When the product is purchased via conventional e-commerce channels, the buyer will be able to claim the product's digital twin using DEAR. So if you don't know what AR, that is augmented reality, and sometimes what that is a virtual representation of the product that you purchase. So when they say digital twin, you will have a physical project that you can actually hold in your hands, and you also have a virtual twin of that particular project. And I'm going to show a little information more about that, an actual demonstration. I'll show a little clip that gives you more insight on that. Japanese enterprises will be able to leverage DEAR, advanced augmented reality, and product verification capabilities to launch their products in the new Web3. So remember, for those that don't remember, Web3 is just essentially the internet that uses crypto, where there's not main corporations running the particular products. It's ran by a community of people. All right, so that's the main thing that I wanted to cover here. Let's read a little more. It says, what is DEAR? DEAR is a user-friendly wallet. So that's where you normally keep your assets. With advanced AR features, and a part of DeStore's strategic solution for onboarding and general population to Web3. DEAR aims to bring Web3 to billions through existing e-commerce channels, introducing them to digital twins, which are NFTs. So that's kind of like, representation. Sometimes like a picture as well, different things of that nature. And then cryptocurrency such as ASTR. And then it's going to go a little further into that DTCC that we talked about earlier. It says with what is DTCC? DEAR will be used along digital twin claim cards, which is the DTCCs. These physical cards will download/open DEAR app by scanning the card and automatically claim digital twins of their real world items. So they're going to make it really easy. So it's just something that you scan and it will automatically let you download your stuff. So that's nice. It says, our goal is to provide an intuitive solution for the easy redemption of these digital twins while onboarding new users to the ASTR network. So essentially, one of the issues that we have in Web3, which is, crypto, digital assets, versus traditional Web2, such as like your Googles, Amazons, Netflix, your traditional internet. This new internet it's a little harder to use the products and services and the different features of Web3. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to incorporate easier way for people to get NFTs and get these particular assets and link their physical product with the virtual product. And the last thing is it's really going to talk about, depending on how much ASTAR that you vote towards them, you'll get some of their cryptocurrency coin, or assets or equity towards. So it says 1% of equity, depending on, if you do 25,000 ASTAR or less, or 25 ASTAR, 25,000 ASTAR or more, and it has a chart. But you can go to the site here, which is the ASTAR portal, to kind of look up some more details on that. And again, this is not financial advice, but this just shows another way. So in addition to the regular rewards you get from ASTAR for backing a particular project, and that sometimes ranges from 14% to 18%. In addition to that, by supporting this project, it gives you some bonuses as well with their particular equity. But yep, do your own research. So let's dive a little further. So this is their actual website. So the previous website was on the ASTAR network, where you can actually vote and support and get rewards and things of that nature. And this is more so to give you a little more information. As you can see, they have the deer here, which is their symbolism for DeStore. It's their deer. So it just kind of goes down and shows the different things. Now, one great thing that I noticed when I did some research is they have some decent partnerships. So as we get towards the bottom, it's going to show that they have the ASTAR, Polygon. They're partnered with Sony, which is great, and we're going to look a little further into that. Polkadot, because ASTAR is the Polkadot network overall. And Varch. I've done some videos on these as well in the past. So just shows some of their partners. All right, so let's go a little more into what this project actually looks like. So here's a demo, and we'll play a little bit of that now. As you can see, that's a Sony project there. That's the augmented reality. That's virtual.
Verification smart contract. Here we have a reward post, and here we have a digital twin. When we combine the two, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities in customer engagement. This product is minted, sold, and dispatched on DeStore, the hybrid marketplace. It's minted on the ASTR blockchain, and it's been donated by Sony Network Communications. Together, we can close the gap between the physical and the digital and create a whole new way of doing business.
All right, so that gives you a little sneak peek of what to expect, and they plan on doing a lot of projects like that overall, and it just kind of gives you a little insight on what DeStores is all about. They're trying to bring in all of e-commerce products where they have digital twins, where you have a virtual representation in addition to your physical item, with very ease of use, and they might be able to introduce a lot of unique things. So that's DeStore. Tell me what you like about it below. Tell me if there's some new features that you think are very unique about it. So looking forward to hearing what you have to say below. I am your Polkadot Specialist, Var. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless.